Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to search for text inside of documents on your Windows computer. So if you want to actually go ahead and search just your whole computer for different files that contain words that you might have typed into a Word document, for example, well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's just actually do an example here. So let me open up a notepad file here. I'm going to type in hello everybody, and I'm going to do file save as, and I'm going to actually just save it to our documents folder as something completely different. So I'm just going to say not very original here, so I'm just going to say computer, and then I'm going to click on save. So you see that the text in our document says hello everybody. So if I close it here, okay, so now that we have a document that we have words we want to search for, if we open up File Explorer down in our taskbar, or you could search for in the start menu, you want to go ahead now and navigate to the folder or directory that you think the file will be located in. So I'm just going to go ahead and actually double click on my local disk where Windows is installed. And now what I'm going to do up here is go where it says search local disk. I'm going to go type inside of here. I'm going to type in hello everybody, and you can actually see our text documents as one of the top results that comes up, and you can see it is very apparent. So you can see as I'm typing it in, you can see it says computer text. So we're just going to go ahead and open that up. So there you go, guys. Simple as that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.